I'm loosening the bolt on the bottom of the strut. I haven't loosened the ones on the top yet because you have to hammer on the control arm to get the taper to go ahead and pop out. And if it does that while you've already loosened and taken off the nuts on the top, it'll just fall, and you don't want that to happen because it's pretty heavy. Sweet. And it could hurt.
All right, so we disconnect the ABC connector there. It's simple squeeze and pull. And then we're gonna go ahead and loosen up this ABC strut. It's 13mm socket.
Okay. There it goes.
I think it went.
It's out.
Yep.
We have the strut right here, and we're gonna go ahead and line up this 3-bolt pattern. It's asymmetrical, so basically the pointy end is gonna go towards the inside of the car. You get your lower bolt in this hole, and then we go up on top in the engine bay. You can go ahead and put these nuts on. The ball joint going into the arm from the rear. We've got the ball joint press tool here, and we go ahead and slowly
We are installing the front sway bar link, and if you can tell here, there is a hex design here, and that needs to make sure to match up the ball joint. You're going to want to install the lower portion first. It's going to make your life a lot easier. So do the bottom first, then go ahead and install the top. Your actual ball joint is going to begin to spin. So you're going to find the appropriate wrench. In this case, it happens to be a 10 mil for the small portion up here. You're going to hold it in place and continue to tighten. Installing coilovers. Do it from the front side.
Yeah, Paul. So, with your both rear control arms down like this, I'm going to go ahead and start to get this one up. Line it up with the hole in the bottom of your strut. Take it all the way through. Pulling down on the toe link really seems to help line this up. You see it starting to come through here. Go ahead and just tap it through, and